My aunt, the one who always ordered from me, she said that, hey, why don't you open a Facebook account? So I did, and it grew from there. That was when I decided to step away from my day job and focus more on home baking. Hi, my name is Aishah. I am the founder from That Last Slice. So That Last Slice has been around since 2009, and we opened a physical shop in 2019, April. How That Last Slice came about is I started with doing part-time, as I was a graphic designer by day, and then I started baking at home because I had requests by my friends and family with my chocolate cake, red velvet, and last time used to be Oreo cookies and cream cake. So one day it was doing very well, where my aunt, the one who always ordered from me, she said that, hey, why don't you open a Facebook account that has a name, like you just make a name out of your cakes. So I did, and it grew from there. That was when I decided to step away from my day job and focus more on home baking. So ever since the start, I had to handle everything on my own. I tried to handle the finances, the accounts, and then purchasing. And then also at one point, I had to handle the delivery myself. So it took a toll on me, of course. Yeah, it was very, very tough. But I also learned to distribute the responsibilities with the team members that we have, and kind of impart whatever I know, whatever knowledge that I have, and I just share it with them and give that responsibility to them to handle it. So it is mainly me, but it is also supported by my team. When it comes to customers' preference, the comments that I get, like sometimes, oh, this cake is too light, or this cake is too sweet. So sometimes we do improve the recipes along the way. A big achievement part for me is the fact that I could handle the Hari Raya cookies project, which is every year it's a very, very big production. So I started small actually. It was like, I don't know, a few hundreds of jars for Hari Raya, but then it grew on to more and more, to a few thousands, and then getting the team prepped up for that. So that has always been a big achievement for me, because every year we set a target. If we could achieve this target by Hari Raya, then it's a huge success. People who are just starting out, I don't want to sound so cliche, but if you have a target or a goal, you do all you can to get there, but also do not forget the people along the way. Always know that if you are be very clear of your part in this industry, you always have to have what it takes, and you have to know that it is a physical job. Your weekends and public holidays are compromised, because yes, that's food industry, it is like that, and it is only noticeable by the hard work that you put into. So it's almost like if you don't work hard, then you won't get to where you are. Thank you, My Weekend Plan and Check Hub, for having me. To all bakers out there, always believe in yourself and keep pushing. Bye.